This is one of my favorite videos to do every single year. Today, I am going to talk about the top 5 kitchen gadgets that you can buy for a gift for the foodie in your life. Welcome back to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. I am here to help you find the easiest way to get the best results in your kitchen. And if that sounds good to you, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I do come out with new videos every Thursday, and that way you'll be sure to be notified. So let's get to the gifts. This first one, I would kind of put it on a stocking stuffer list, but of all the products I talk about, this one sells the most. You guys love it. It is a large jumbo ice cube tray and super simple. It makes 8 ice cubes and they're huge. And these ice cubes are perfect for all of your cocktails that have ice in them. The reason you want these large ice cubes is because they melt far more slowly than traditional smaller ice cubes. So they keep your drink at the right temperature without watering it down. And at a cost of less than like $15 for a 2-pack, put this on your list of great stocking stuffers for the cocktail lover in your life. Okay, next up is a super cool invention. It is my favorite new product of 2019, and it is the Multi Crisp Lid. Now, if you or the foodie in your life has an Instant Pot or any pressure cooker, 6-quart or 8-quart, this is a fantastic item to get. It effectively turns the pressure cooker into an air fryer. Totally great. There is huge demand for this. People with Instant Pots and pressure cookers have been asking for it for years, and Multi finally came out with one. So it is a lid that sits right on top of your pressure cooker, 6-quart or 8-quart, and yes, it will fit all models. And it has a heat lamp here, and it air fries the food. So if you have a pressure cooker, you know this. If you cook your wings in your Instant Pot, it's awesome and they get done in 7 minutes, but you still have to throw them under the broiler for 3 or 4 minutes. Well, guess what? You don't have to anymore. All you do is put this lid right on top of the pressure cooker, plug it in, and turn it on to 350 degrees, 450 degrees. It will crisp up those wings or those potatoes or creme brulee. When you order this crisp lid by Multi, it will come with a couple of things, and they're worth pointing out. A silicone pad to set it on when it's hot, and it comes with the basket, and this is what you put your wings or whatever you want to crisp up in this basket. This is the basket it comes with. It's a little bit shallow, which for me, frankly, is perfectly fine. I do love it this way, but they have also come out with an additional basket you can purchase. It's a deeper one, so you can put twice as many wings in this basket that you can in this basket. So lots of great options out there. Again, if the person that you're looking for a gift for already has a pressure cooker, this is for sure the best accessory to get for it. Now, before I get to the next one, kind of obvious what it is, I would like to know from you guys, do you think that giving appliances, kitchen appliances, is appropriate for a gift, or is it sort of on the no list? But I know foodies love to get kitchen gifts, so put it in the comments below. Yay or nay on getting kitchen appliances for a gift. You know, it could be it's a big no-no. Like that time my dad, bless his heart, bought my mother a scale for Christmas. Yeah, Dad, I love you, but that was a bad call. You don't buy your woman a scale. And I'm not talking a kitchen scale. I'm talking a full-fledged, kind of like the kind you see at the doctor's office scale. So let's just say kitchen gadgets do not fall into that category, but I'm curious what you guys think about that. Okay, next on the list, pressure cookers. Now, of course, you guys probably already have one. You can always buy a second one, but if you don't have one, I'm going to talk about my 2 favorites here. This one over here is the Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi. It is fantastic for those of you who are a little bit techie and you want to connect it to your Wi-Fi and you want to be able to go off and go to the store or go to work and look on your phone. It connects to your Wi-Fi in your phone. I have a video right here that shows the whole entire smart Wi-Fi demonstration demonstrated so you can see exactly what it does. Very cool. And this is the gift for those who love the techie aspect of a pressure cooker. Now, this is the Mealthy multi-pot, and I'm going to tell you, I think this is the best value in a pressure cooker. The Mealthy, with its base model at about $100, it comes with some features that you can only get with more expensive ones of the Instant Pot. For example, it has a graph on the front that'll show where you are in the cooking cycle. It also has the yogurt function, the egg function, and the cake function all included on their base model at about $100. And as an aside, I do think the buttons are easier to read on the Mealthy because the contrast is a little bit better. So these are two options for you to give the foodie in your life a pressure cooker. Great gift. People love them. Next up, Sous Vide Circulators. Now don't go skipping this section if you don't know what it is. Let me give you a very brief description of Sous Vide. It is a method that's been around for quite some time, but it's only now becoming popular in the United States. And it is where you put your food in a vacuum sealed bag and you submerge it in a water bath. And it cooks at a precise temperature for a period of time until the food is cooked. Now, why is this so amazing? And by the way, it's amazing. I am telling you, sous vide is the way to go because you can get the food exactly perfect. So for example, if you like a medium rare steak, and you know the problem with trying to get a medium rare steak, if you're doing it on the grill or in a cast iron pan, you're cooking it on both sides, and what it's doing is it's cooking heavily on the outside, and then you have to kind of guess when that medium rare part is in the middle. The difference is with sous vide being cooked in this water bath, the whole entire steak can be cooked medium rare, 129 degrees, 130 degrees. You get to pick, and you cook the entire steak that way. And then you flash sear it in a very hot pan to finish it off with some butter, maybe some garlic. It's the best steak you've ever had, and you can cook almost anything sous vide. So I've got this video up here of my sous vide burgers, which are fabulous, if you want to check out how it works. For the gift ideas, I want to talk about 3 different sous vide circulators. So the first one I want to talk about is the Anova Nano. Now, Anova is a fantastic company that makes great sous vide circulators. This is their entry-level sous vide, so if you're just starting down that road or not quite sure if you're going to end up loving it, trust me, you're going to end up loving it. Everybody does. This is the one to get. It's 750 watts of power, and the device controls are all right here on the face. It's all digital. So in fact, let me plug it in and show you. So if you can see, all of the controls are located right here on the screen. It's a great device, and it's a wonderful way to start exploring sous vide cooking. Now, Anova also makes a higher end sous vide circulator. It's called the Anova Precision Cooker, and yes, it is precision. You can do it to the decimal point of temperature that you want. It's also a little bit heftier, it's a little bit stronger, more solid, and it's 1,000 watts. So what's going to happen is the water will heat up much, much faster with this, and it can cook a larger water bath. So if you have larger pieces of meat or food items that you're going to cook, this will be able to handle a much larger water bath. It is wonderful. It's fairly new. It's only been out, I think, a month or two, and its price point is about $200, whereas the Nano comes in at about $100. Now, the competitor to this Anova Precision Cooker, $200, is the Joule, which is also about $200. As you can see, the Joule looks quite different. I love the Joule. I love all of these, to be honest with you. The Joule obviously is much thinner and sleeker, so when you have it in the water bath, it doesn't take up quite as much room. That is a bonus. It has 1100 watts of power, which means it heats up even faster. Also a bonus, and it can handle a little bit more water bath than the others. It has a few extra cool features, like the bottom is magnetic, so if you're using your water bath in something that's metal, it'll stick right in the middle and it stays right there. You don't necessarily have to clip it to the side. Now, if you'll notice, there are no controls on the top. You cannot read the temperature or the settings. You can't adjust it with anything except your phone. So I think that's cool. I use that all the time. But to be honest with you, if sometimes you just want to go over and look and see where it is, or just tap it to change the temperature, it's not the easiest thing to do unless you have your phone right there. So what this has in coolness and looks, and it's light, and it's super powerful, the technology that allows you to have no controls over here is great, but it also takes away a little bit of the convenience. So in all honesty, I mean, these two, the Anova precision cooker, that's 1000 watts, and the Joule, that's 1100 watts, you can look, they're quite different in size. This one has the controls on the top, this one doesn't. You control it with your phone. Honestly, it is truly a personal preference. So if you have someone that you're buying a gift for that really loves new, cool, techie things, this is the one I'd recommend. If you're buying it for someone who likes things pretty standard and they're just gonna work well, this is the one you're gonna get. So those are my choices for Sous Vide, and I'm going to tell you that if I had to pick one gift to receive or give a foodie, it's gonna be a sous vide circulator. The food is truly amazing. And I'll tell you a little story about how amazing the food is that comes out of a sous vide circulator. So my husband had a guys' weekend up at the cabin. There were 3 other guys. They went up there. My husband cooked the steaks with the sous vide circulator. The guys were so impressed with how perfect those steaks were that all 3 of those guys ran out and bought a sous vide circulator. Not kidding, that's actually true. They love it, they use them all the time. So very, very, very much this is my top vote for gift to buy someone this year. And the last gift that I want to talk about that you can get the foodie in your life is the gift that keeps on giving. I recently started using the meat subscription service called ButcherBox. It is very, very high quality meat. You can look on their website, butcherbox.com. I will put a link below. In fact, I have links to all of these things below. And it is high quality meats. They've got chicken, they've got fish, salmon, pork, beef, and they deliver it to your house. It comes very much vacuum sealed and frozen. It is super high quality. I have now been using it for a few months. I absolutely am sold that this is the way to buy your meats. So if you're looking for a gift that can kind of keep on going every month, then I highly recommend a ButcherBox subscription. There are different plans you can pick. Again, the link's below. Go ahead and click on it and just check it out and see which plan might work for you. Well, there you have it. Those are my top 5 gifts for this year. And I do have one extra bonus you might want to consider. I have an Instant Pot video course out, linked to that below. It is how to be the boss of your Instant Pot, and it's 30 videos that go through absolutely everything about how to use and get the most out of your Instant Pot. So if a pressure cooker is something that you are purchasing for the foodie in your life, you might also want to consider adding on my course as a bonus. Thank you for watching the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather. I will see you next time.